What's going on, everybody? This is Mike over at Disney Daily Dime. So we're back with another room tour. So this time we are over at the Grand Floridian Resort. We're here for a few days, trying to get out of the way of Hurricane Dorian before it blows in. So I thought I'd shoot this video real quick. So let's go inside and see what a room here looks like. Here's my magic band, and here we go. So we booked just a regular old standard room, nothing overly interesting or out of the ordinary. So you can see I'll do kind of a quick walkthrough and I'll come back. So the shower and sink area is all through here. And then you've got, the standard kind of setup of two beds. Anna and Elsa are with us on this trip, so we got to kind of bunk up. It's not nearly as spacious as our room over at Old Key West. I'll actually link to that up here in the description if I can figure out how to do that in this video. So you can see the standard room setup. It is night. It is, it's almost 10:30. We just got in today. You won't be able to probably tell, but there is actually a view of the water out there. Not a view of Magic Kingdom. It's kind of the backside towards where the monorail line is. But you get the idea. So I kind of start over here in the bathroom and sink area real quick. So you get, the entire hotel is a very Victorian styled theme. Carla and I stayed here back in 2000, I think it was 2005. So it's been a while since we've been here. The rooms have all been refurbished and renovated. I want to say 5 years ago, something like that. So they look very different from what we remember. I really am a big fan of this. The hardwood floor in here. It looks really nice, and if you come in with sand from the beach or somewhere, it probably is a good way to keep things easy to clean. I'm sure Disney did that unintentionally, as you're seeing more and more hardwood floors. Ooh, that's loud. So we won't use that. So you can see we've got your basic shower. Disney actually doesn't have the little lockdown toiletries. It's regular toiletries in here, which is a bit different for them. And then you got a nice little overhead place for your towels and everything. It's a little bit bigger than probably your standard room bathroom, but not by a whole lot. And then here in the sink area, you'll find dual vanities or with sink areas. It's a pretty large setup, but again, nothing gigantic, but definitely more roomy than what you're going to find at some of your more typical value resorts and moderate level resorts. And then over here, we've got a closet, which I have actually not looked in, but you see a couple of robes. It's a closet. There's not much to say about it. You have a safe down there in case you want one. And then, like I said, you get the entire room. I guess I probably should actually turn on some lights so you can see what the heck things look like. I'm not doing a very good job of lighting this place up. So you come in, you get those on. I'll turn this on too. So this strap means that this bed pulls out. I don't know if it'll pull out easily or not, but yep, there you go. And that's what it looks like when it rolls down. So this room will sleep 5. It came down pretty easy with just a little one tug with my one arm, but a little harder to get back up, but not anything impossible. Beautiful room, looks really, really nice. The Victorian theme kind of continues through all of it. Kind of the luxury you would find at the Grand Floridian. Love the Mickey that they put on the bed. We don't always see that here. We stayed at the Beach Club a couple of months ago and saw some of a towel design like that, but that's the first time we've seen them in a while, actually. We did get new magic bands. Not that you're looking for magic bands, but they are possible to get. So you can see this is the one of Captain America that I got. We'll be getting a Darth Vader one here soon, I think. But that's really pretty much to the room. You can kind of see what it looks like. You've got a nice little setup with a little one-pot Keurig and the little K-cups and stuff that goes along with it. Let's see how that turns. Yeah, so that'll light that up maybe a little bit better so this room isn't quite so dark as what it looked like. Got to go for better production value here. And please don't pay attention to all our bags that are here. But that's the room, and it's a basic form. It's a nice room. They are pricey. You can go find their prices on the Disney World website and see what you can pay. I'd definitely say if I was staying here, get a deal. don't be paying rack rate prices. That's a general truism for Disney, but I wouldn't do it. Wouldn't do it here for sure, because these rooms are expensive. So, oh, but I think I can go out on the balcony. So you won't be able to see much, but you'll at least be able to. Yeah, there we go. So the balcony is out here. So there's no light, so it's all very dark. But you can kind of see what the setup is it's a little, little kind of end table and a couple of chairs, and it looks out, in case you wanted to see, it looks out over the little outlet of water over here. That area in the dark that you can see barely probably is the place where they bring out like the electrical pageant. It's also where they're putting in the walkway from Grand Floridian to the Magic Kingdom. So hopefully that'll be coming in the next couple of months. I think I saw where they're trying to have it ready by Christmas or maybe even Thanksgiving. So if you've seen the fireworks video that we posted showing fireworks from the Magic Kingdom, or looking at the Magic Kingdom from the Grand Floridian, that area down there is where we shot the fireworks from. So you can see all of that. So that's the look. You can actually get just a little view of Cinderella's castle over there, and a couple monorails going by. But that's your basic Grand Floridian room. So we'll talk to you guys later. Oh, and Carla and the girls just got back, so I got to go inside and turn this thing off. So hope you enjoyed the video. We'll talk to you later. Give it a like, give it a share. Appreciate it.